Welcome. I'm going to be taking you through how I made You and I.
Got a little sometime. You and I gotta get away with nobody. Every time at night, you call me, but you gotta get away. And I got to be with you and I. Baby girl, I can't deny the way that you blow my mind. It's always you and I.
The song started off with the drums. Here are the drums, if you listen to them. The drums drive the song, and when I was making the drums, I was getting a blend between reggaeton, dancehall, and afro vibes. So if I show you here how the drum started, I'm gonna come up with a kick. I'll show you the pattern of the kick. So I programmed the kick with, of course, the FL Studio. We have the drum sequencer. Yeah. After the kick, I play this kabongo here. It's a nice thing. I like it. It's like the song is based on this and then the lead. So the percussion. So the bongo and the percussion, another pattern. That's another percussion. Yeah, from there, I have this snare. It's a dancehall snare. It's called the deal snare or something. So with the kick, now with the tumbling, that one, it's nice. Let me play it solo so that you listen to it. Yeah, that one. Okay. So I needed to put a transition, and I used this checker. The shaker. Layered a hat on the kick. Then lastly, I put in a tambourine. It goes by. It's on a foot, plays with a kick. If you hear it solo, it's like that. Ta 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 ta. Then with the song. So they were the drums. The next thing I had then were the melodic instruments, so the chords and the lead and the things like that. So the thing I like about most on this song is actually the lead, because it's what drives the song, and I play the lead before the chords. The lead is here. So I exported it, and let me play the pattern where the lead is. So here, if I put melodies, now I used Xenology, the sax section, and then I layered it with another Xenology. It's oboe. I don't know how they pronounce it, whether it's oboe or obe, whatever. And I'm sure I must have put kickstart on them. Yes. So that's a kickstart. Now, without a kickstart, this is how it is. So with kickstart, with kickstart, and then the EQ. Yeah, so that was the lead. Now, the next of the instruments, I'm actually going to play them. I have the chords, and then let me solo this. I have the chords. So if you listen to the chords, I use the sax for the chords. I layer the chords with other chords from XV. I used another instrument which is XV. Here, so this is XV. It's a piano and soft pad or something. If actually I take you through the chords, these are my chords. So let me play. So they give it the musicality, the musicality. And then the last thing was actually this bass. Let me solo the bass. I actually used, it must have been 808. It's a so when I play the pattern, let me unsolo these things such that now we can have some sound. With the chord and everything. All right, now let me take you to this arrangement where I exported the stems and then I play for you everything. So the drums. So with the things, bass, then vocals, and the backups. And that's how I produce this song. So the song is there. You can go stream on you or get it on YouTube, Spotify. You just put in You and I by Unicorn Viper, and here is the song. You and I gotta get away with nobody. Every time at night, you call me, but you gotta get away. And I got to be with you and I, baby girl, I can't deny the way that you blow my mind. It's always you and I got to be with you. So I offer producing lessons, especially to beginners, people around Kampala. We can do one-on-one or a group sessions, and the course is kindly friendly. So if you want to learn, you can reach out to me. I'm going to leave the number in the bio. And even if you want us to work together, like artists, especially upcoming artists, I'm very friendly with prices. We can actually work together. Thank you for listening and watching. You and I gotta get away with